Guys, welcome back to our chemistry class. So, in our last session, you studied some elements and their valencies and all. Now, we are going to write understand how can we write a chemical formula. Okay, and there are rules to understand that the valencies or charges on the ion must be balanced. That is what the first rule. What is it actually? Charge on the ion must be balanced. Means suppose you have A and B, they are coming to join each other to form a compound, and you are producing A plus B as AB. But there is a charge. A have plus 1 charge and B have minus 2 charge. Then to balance it, you need 2 plus charges. Am I right? Only 1 plus charge is there and 2 negative charges are there. So to make neutral, you need 2 plus 2 minus. Am I right? So you will take 2 A's and 1 B. Then your formula will be A to B. Okay, so this is what about charge on the ions must be balanced. That is what the first point means. A plus B will be AB, then the compounds will be neutral. Only. Okay, now when a compound consists of metal and a non-metal, then the metal will be written first. Okay, and then only the non-metal will be right. That means AB means A plus B gives AB. Again I am going, and A is metal, B is non-metal, then our formula will be AB. Suppose A and B will be metal and A is non-metal, then our formula is what? A plus B gives BA, because B is what? Metal. I think you may be clear. Metal will be written first. This is what. So first rule is what? Charges must be balanced, neutral. Okay, second one, metal will be written first. Third one, a compound formed with polyatomic ions, the ions should be enclosed in bracket. The polyatomic ions should be enclosed in bracket. That is what about polyatomic ions compound. Now let's start. How can we write a formula of compound, simple compound? Okay, binary compound means a compound having two atoms or two different elements, then it is called as binary compound. Okay, AB, it is a binary compound. CD, it is a binary compound. H2O, it is a binary compound, and all so on. Now two different elements, HCl, it is a binary compound, and so on. Yes, now let's check how can we write a chemical formula. So for that, first you need to write the symbols, then you need to write appropriate valency. Okay, so hydrogen chloride, I am going to teach you how can we write the symbols of the chemical formula of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride, the symbol of hydrogen is H and symbol of chlorine is Cl. The valency are writing, yes, below H. Hydrogen's valency is writing below H, as hydrogen's valency is 1, chlorine's valency is also 1. Okay, now we are cross multiplying each other, means hydrogen multiplying with the valency of chlorine, chlorine multiplying with the valency of hydrogen. So we will get as H into 1, Cl into 1. H into 1 means H itself, Cl into 1 means Cl itself. So our compound formula is what? HCl. Okay, now let's take the other example, hydrogen sulfide. Okay, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen have the valency 1. First we are writing symbols. Hydrogen H, sulfur S. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Valency of sulfur is 2. You studied it already in our last session. Am I right? Valencies. So we are cross multiplying each other. Hydrogen multiplying with the valency of sulfur. So H into 2. Sulfur multiplying with the valency of hydrogen. That is S into 1. And writing in subscription. Okay, as H into 2 means H2 and S into 1 means S1. That is what? S itself. So formula will be H2S. Okay, so in case of water, hydrogen, writing the symbols, hydrogen and oxygen, H and O. Appropriate valence is hydrogen have 1, oxygen have 2. Cross multiplying each other. Hydrogen into oxygen's valency, that is H into 2, H2. O into 1, that is oxygen into hydrogen's valency, O into 1, O. Formula will be H2O. Okay, so this is what I think you may be clear. How can we write? Again examples, aluminium oxide. Here the provided symbols are wrong. Aluminium oxide means symbols are aluminium Al, oxygen O. Okay, so not calcium. Here denoted Ca, that is wrong. Aluminium Al. And charges are aluminium have 3 plus charge. What is 3 plus charge? You please recorrect it. Okay, oxygen have 2 minus itself, and we are going to cross multiply. Then aluminium into 2, Al2. Oxygen into charge of aluminium, that is 3 plus. Oxygen into 3, O into 3, O3. Formula will be Al2O3. Now the formula of calcium oxide, CaO. Okay, Ca into Ca's charge is 2 plus, oxygen have 2 minus. Cross multiplying each other, Ca into 2, O into 2. Ca2O2. So, you please note that Ca2O2, both calcium and oxygen have 2, 2. So, we can simplify this by dividing a common number. We will get as common number is 2 itself. So, Ca2, here 2 by 2, O 2 by 2. That is what? 1, 1. So, we can simplify this as, write as CaO. Okay, CaO. CaO. I think you may be clear. So, this is what about our balancing topic. So, I think you may be clear. Here provided more and more examples. You please do C and D. What is provided here? Okay, formula of sodium nitrate and formula of calcium oxide. You try to understand how it is possible. Means, are you getting or not? You please check it. Okay, and I will provide you some questions. Not today. Never. Okay, so this is what about our today's topic. I will provide you questions, more questions to balance, to find the balance. To find the chemical formula. Okay, so I think you may be clear. Please remember the rules. First rule, balance charge should be balanced. Second rule, metal should be written first, then non-metal. Third rule, compounds having polyatomic ion should be enclosed in bracket. Yes, this is what the example for that. The formula of calcium oxide. Calcium symbol Ca. Calcium hydroxide symbol OH. Charges of calcium is 2 plus. OH hydroxide have 1 minus. You know it. In our previous session we studied already. Okay. Now we are cross multiplying each other. Then Ca into 1. Ca into charge of OH minus. OH into charge of calcium. Okay. Cross multiplying each other. Then Ca into 1, Ca itself. OH into 2 means OH twice. Here you please note the third rule. If we have polyatomic ion, then it should be enclosed in bracket. Okay, and then we are giving the subscript as 2. So this is what about today's topic. Have a nice day. Please do it fast in your notebook. Make notes. Study well. Okay. Bye-bye. If you have doubt, please contact me. And also after listening to this class, you should give me the feedback in our class. Feedback means you understood or not. That is what our feedback. And also if you have doubt, you should clarify that through group itself. Okay. Bye-bye.